he has given an arithmetic progression. But how do I know this arithmetic progression? If I look at the common difference, common difference is negative of 3. That is 54 minus 57 is minus 3. 51 minus 54 is again minus 3. 48 minus 51 is also again negative of 3. That is a common difference. Now, how do I get the nth term? The moment the common difference is same, then I can say the given series is an arithmetic progression. If the given series are an arithmetic progression, then nth term, that is an, is equal to first term a plus n minus 1 times d. Now, because we want the nth term, so a8 is equal to first term is 57 plus n minus 1. What term are you looking at? We are looking at 8. 8 minus 1 times what is d? D is minus 3. Now let us simplify. A8 is equal to 57 plus 7 times negative of 3, which is equal to 57 minus 21. So 57 minus 21 is nothing but it is 36. 36, it is option 1. Option A is correct, which is 36. Let us look at problem number 6. It says that point A, whose coordinates are P and Q, is invariant. The moment you hear the word invariant, your thought should immediately run in all possible directions. In the sense, you need to understand that whenever the point is invariant implies I am talking about image being itself. So image is not away from the line. Generally, if I take x-axis and y-axis, and if there is a point, point here is a comma b, then its image in x-axis will be say p dash, and that will be a comma minus b. But the word used is invariant implies the image is itself. Therefore, blindly I can say a dash is also equal to p comma q. That means option C is correct. If you look at that question number 8, students, please remember this. You got to be very, very careful. The moment you get a problem something like this, you need to get back to your basics. That now understand what is the volume of a cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is given by pi r square h, right? Where radius is r and height is h. If radius is r and height is h, what is the volume of a cone or right circular cone? Implies 1 by 3 pi r square h. Therefore, if I'm looking at these two quantities, implies the volume of the cylinder is always 3 times the volume of the cone, because cone is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder, or implies I can say volume of a cylinder is 3 times the volume of the cone. That in that case, so all I need to do is 120 times 3. The answer is 360 centimeter cube is the answer. Now let us look at the problem number 9. It is directly from the chapter called inequations or inequalities, and here the problem specifies that negative of 8 is less than or equal to 2x is less than 8. So I am not worried about this. We'll come back to this part of the problem a little bit later, but I'll try to simplify the inequality as much as we can. So what I'll do is divide by 2 throughout. What I get is minus 4 is less than or equal to x is less than 4. This is what we got. Therefore, if he did not specify as x belongs to w, then the answer can be ranging from minus 4 to 4. That is, I can say x belongs to close interval minus 4 to open interval 4. Right? But now, because he specifically said w, that is x belongs to w, implies whole numbers. Therefore, on a real line, if I take on the real line, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Right? These are the if I plot all these values on the graph sheet, right? And then because he says x belongs to w, implies the w will not contain all these values. These values are not contained in w. Therefore, what it contains is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Even 4 we will not include in solution because he says x is less than 4. Had he said x is less than or equal to 4, then I would have added that also into my solution set. But because he said x is less than 4, we will not add 4 into solution set. Therefore, solution set will become option number C, that is 0, 1, 2 and